could we be going? Z-O-O? What does that spell? Oh, too bad. Because that's where we're going.
Big heavy machinery is getting a new engine.
Keep left to merge onto I-5
Big ass
South
black
toward
thing right there on the trailer is a radiator. Hey!
In 1.1 miles, exit left to merge onto I-405 towards city center.
How you feeling, Jeffrey?
I'm not scared of bombs.
Fucking cut me off, asshole, with no blinker. I don't care if somebody does it to you. Don't fucking do it to somebody else.